Hi, welcome to my sewing channel. My name is Delilah, and today is Friday, which means I'm participating in the hashtag Friday Sews. So in this episode, I'm just going to be talking about, I could be talking about life, things like that, but I love sewing. So I'm just going to be talking about all the things that I sewed up this week. Oh, and I'll also be showing you some different fabrics that I got from one of my online fabric stores. And I also did a lot of sewing for my daughter. And I have a romper that I'm going to show you. So I'll be trying that on as well. I bought a pattern from Little Lizard King Patterns, and they do have adult patterns as well. But this one, and it was really easy to put together, and I loved it. It's called the Lorne, and I got to use up my Florida fabric by Ruby Star. I wish I had more of this. Remember, I also made a shirt out of this, but with a different colorway. See, there it is. Isn't that just a fun summery fabric? And so this one, what it is I'll show you. The inside is lined. The inside on the top is lined. You don't need a separate sleeve, although it appears to have a sleeve. And then you gather it. But what I did is I tiered it, is what they call. And so I used my serger for the ruffles, which I don't know that a lot of people, you know, when I'm like talking about it and I'm like, you know, having conversations with people, I'm in like the sewing Facebook groups, and I get the impression that a lot of people don't know how to use their serger for ruffles. And if you don't, you have to learn how. I need to post throughout some of my videos. I have shown people how I use my serger for ruffles, but I think I'm going to do just a standalone video to show you, because if I didn't use that, it would take forever, because look at all these ruffles up here, and then I ruffled it again down here with twice the amount of fabric than you do from the first layer. And then I used my rolled hem foot, which I love that, and I have a tiny short video on that, but that would have also taken me forever. But it just turned out really nicely. See the hem on that. And it just goes by super fast. Just those little tiny tricks allow me to sew so much fabric. And then it has a tie in the back. And I could easily just attach one of the elastic with the buttons, and some of them I might do. But yeah, I'm going to be making a lot of these. And again, this pattern is from Little Lizard King and Ruby Star Society fabric, and I made this in a size 5. So there's some pictures. And this is just another cute shirt that I made for my daughter this week. Now, I also made an Easter dress for my daughter because, let's see, Sunday is Easter, and I did like a little bit of a collab with Chris from Sew Notes, and so we've been kind of messaging each other back and forth, looking at the different pictures and the dresses that we made for our daughter, and so that was fun. And I am going to reveal that and just show, like, I'll just post like a quick video on Sunday morning in between Easter hunts and show you the dress that I made for her. It does have some ruffles, I'll tell you that, and I'll just leave it at that. So we're going to be posting our video at the same time on Sunday. And then I'm just going to throw this out there. Like, if any of you guys have any ideas or want to reach out to me and maybe like do a collab or something like that, then I am more than happy to. Because keep in mind, I love to sew and I love to quilt. I love to do like tiny little quilt projects right now. Now, as far as fabric goes, I actually ordered a ton. So I just got some fabric in the mail yesterday, and I ended up just going to fabric.com. They had a lot of fabric on sale. So let's see, I'll start with this first one here. This was $5.37 a yard. And it's like a Hawaiian print, and it's a crepe fabric. And see, it's not really see-through, so I got this one. I'm going to make a top for me. It's called a bubble crepe Hawaiian. So it's got like a little bit of a stretch to it, and I'm just gonna make me a fun summer top. It's lightweight and breezy. Okay, my next favorite one is this one. I wish you guys could feel it. It's just really soft, and it's lightweight, and it's a rayon chalice. Hopefully I'm saying that one right. But I want to make my daughter just a really fun, summery floral dress with this one. Maybe coordinate it with like some red stripes or polka dots or something like that. So I can't wait to cut into this fabric. This fabric is probably my favorite so far, and this was $7.88 a yard. Okay, the next one I got, I'm not familiar with this type of fabric. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, but I wanted to try it out so that, I could feel it and just kind of learn about the different types of fabric. And this one is an ITY stretch, and so I'm noticing it's only stretching one way. There's hardly any stretch going the other way, but it stretches a lot going this way. This one was $6.18 a yard, so not bad for this one. It's an ITY stretch. So I've never sewn with this type of fabric before. This next one, I was thinking about even making a romper or just a cute summery shirt. This was $5.86 a yard, and this is a stretch DTY knit fabric. So I will make something out of it. I don't quite know right now, but it'll come to me probably at night when I'm sleeping. Okay, this one is a scuba knit, which I've never sewn with this before either. It's a thick structured knit, and it's pretty stretchy. It doesn't seem to have a very good recovery. I don't really know what I would make for this. I'm going to have to Google it and research it and see what type of apparel fabric's like. Is it good for a shirt? Is it good for a skirt? Maybe pants? I'm not quite sure with this scuba knit. But this one I picked up for $6.71 a yard. So let me know if you have any ideas.
Okay, now I will just talk briefly about the romper that I made. This is just where I did the pockets, and I didn't have a pattern. I just used existing pants that I had. Okay, and here's my romper. What I did is for the top, I used my Simplicity 8336, and I did a cute color blocking at the top. And then for the bottoms, I just, like I said, constructed it using shorts that I already had myself. I'm so happy with it. I love it. So it is a two-piece, because I also, wanted a convenient bathroom situation. So I put it in two pieces, but it just looks like one. And, I just tucked in the shirt.
And Mother's Day is coming up. So in the next few weeks, I'm going to be posting just a tiny little mini project that anybody can do for a cute Mother's Day gift. But then I'm also going to be focusing on a summer wardrobe for me and my daughter. So that's going to be a lot of fun too.
Okay, so that is all that I have for now. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give a thumbs up. And also check out all the other videos in the search bar by typing in #FridaySews, and make sure that you come back tomorrow when I reveal the Easter dress that I made for my daughter. So until then, enjoy the sun and happy sewing.